You saying hi?
What happened, Bella? Really? Did you go see Santa Claus today? Yeah? Oh, really? Are you talking? Oh, say Baba? Bella? You have a Christmas tree? Huh? Bella?
Bella, say hi.
Hi, Bella.
Say hi.
Hello, beautiful.
Beautiful. Did you hear that?
Where's your
Beautiful.
beautiful eyes?
Show her your beautiful eyes. Bella.
Beautiful eyes. Bella.
Bella, where are you going? Your shoe.
Bella.
Bella, where's your beautiful eyes? Bella.
She wanted to give me
Oh.
a hug. Hi, Bella, Bella. Now what's that happening? What did you do today? So bye-bye today?
Oh my goodness.
Bella? Did you go bye-bye? Bella? Did you go bye-bye?
She dropped it, I got it. She's trying to take it back from me. She's a monster.
Beautiful eyes.
Yeah, I know. She's trying to take the phone from me. She's bright. Yeah, she was I have it now. She was walking around the house with it up to her ears, making noises.
Can you give him love?
And she kept waving
Here.
bye too.
Give him love?
She kept moving her hand.
Aw, love. Okay.
Playing with a little Secret Service bear.
No touching.
Yeah,
No
they're good.
touching.
Yeah, they're good.
Here's our tree.
Yesterday we did.
And here's our bald bottom part so Bella won't mess with it. Aw, our little monster. Hi. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Bella, stop it. Bella. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's actually it's pretty cool.
Bye.
And
Where are you going?
Covered in bells following me. It's just like
Bella. Say bye. Can I get a kiss? Kiss?
Yeah.
Bella.
Yeah.
Look at me. Kiss? Another kiss? Mwah. Give me a kiss. Ah. Thank you.
Cool.
Beautiful eyes. Aww, beautiful eyes, pretty girl. Beautiful eyes. Oh, gosh. No, don't take the camera. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye now. Ah. Bye, Bella.